Okay, this is part 2 of trying to make a teepee out of a tarp, and you can see Jack's legs, which are really nice, on the way up. And this is Jack. Say hi, Jack.
Hi, Jack.
Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack.
Get out.
Right, so this is a tarp. It's a cheapy one. I've had it about 5 years. I found it, never used it, so it might be the wrong size.
Come on then.
All right, hold on.
Yeah.
So we need it like a square. That's more than a square. It is massive, isn't it? Is that it all? Oh my God, it's huge. That's
But then again, if you've got a massive teepee, you have to get something bigger than this, like twice the size. When you start cutting it and wrapping it around something.
but that's massive. Right, so what we're going to do is mark it there. Hold on, where's the chalk? What do they do with that chalk?
Good.
So that's centre, isn't it, Jack, isn't it?
Just fall out from here. This one.
I think that's centre, isn't it? Yes, definitely. So just mark the edge. That's it. And then
Side as well.
the other edge. Sorry, I'm bossing about here, but I've got to hold the camera. Just give it 2 seconds. So we're going to put the chalk on that end.
Chalk is ready.
Right, let's go. See if I can do this. So I'm going to hold this here.
So I'm on the edge now, Marky.
So Jack's there.
So
I'm here. So you want to...
mark it on till middle or...
Oh no, where that ends now.
Yeah.
Go, so if you walk and mark it there, right?
Yeah.
And then I'll swap places.
Yeah.
So if we swap places now, that's it. Off you go. That end. So I'm going to put this now, and Jack is going to do a big arc.
From right round that other side.
Yeah. Yep. Right round.
Right, we're going that way first, right?
Yep. This tarp might be too big. It might be all right. I don't know. Keep going. That's it. And same again.
Oh, ow. What was that?
That's all right. Because if this doesn't work, I'm going to scrap it and throw it in the skip.
With the bath curtain out of it.
Could do. Be a big bath curtain.
Spoil yourself, Mark.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Now what we're going to do, you've got to mark from here and draw a straight line from this X
Yeah.
to where that ends at the end there.
Here.
Yeah, so we've got to draw a straight line.
Right, I'll take
So-
the chalk out.
Yeah, okay, and you just follow that across.
My keys on it.
And I'll hold this end.
Okay.
Yep. It's not going to be perfect, this is just an experiment, because if this works, I'll buy a better quality tarp.
Because this is cheap and cheerful, isn't it, really?
Yeah, so you just...
Don't
Your
blame
line
me.
is crap. Right, and the same that way now. Sorry about the vids, folks. We're doing the best we can. So this bit here will be the doorway, but I can't see this work. It's going to be a very low teepee. It'll be for midgets.
Sorry,
It'll
mate,
suit you, Jack.
No, don't you bring my height into this, Mark. You know how sensitive I am.
Jack's 5'1".
I'm 5'8.5".
Oh, are you?
Oh, I broke the chalk.
That's all right. We're there. Right. Now comes the scissors. Oh my God! It's going to take us a fortnight to cut all this out. Right. So let's see if we can view this. Oops. Right. So this is what we've got. Can you see that? And that's the pattern we've got. So now we've got to cut that out. So, Jack, see that bit there?
This bit here.
Yeah, if you just cut, because this is actually the doorway. I don't think it's going to work like that because this tarp's way too, the width is far too big.
You need to have the same length you are width.
Yeah, well, we're going to give it a go.
But it's fine, isn't it?
I mean, we're
So,
taking this down the
straight
width,
up,
straight up there
door.
to there. That's it. Oh, I thought we'd be able to do that. That's just
You're showing off, mate.
showing off.
We've got to remember about this. Are you going to put
Nope.
a seam on it?
Not yet, not yet. Well, see
This
if it,
tends to
yeah,
fray.
fray, doesn't it? So what I was thinking, in the end, we could take it into the other bit, put a rope somewhere where we think the top is, hoist it up,
Yeah, absolutely.
and see if it happens. So now what we've got to do is cut from there right the way round.
All right.
So if we lose, it doesn't matter if we lose the eyelets, it doesn't matter. That's fine.
That might be an idea, actually, Mark.
Yeah,
Do you want to start off here, just so we have got the eyelets?
doesn't matter.
We'll start from here.
Okay, yeah,
We're
fine.
going to have to redo it, do we? We'll start from here, so we've got a bit more material.
Yeah, all right.
But,
This is for you lot. This is for the Tipi clan. You all right doing that? Do you want a hand? You're on hand?
no, mate, you continue your little filming. That's fine.
Look at Jack go.
I know. It's not my first rodeo, mate.
Well, your first what? Rodeo?
Rodeo, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just saying stuff I know for the best. That's all I get through life. Get rid of that.
No, there's a, you can buy a better quality tarp.
I suppose you get a rubberised one.
Well, that's what I've got. I got UPVC, not UPVC, PVC, and it's 650 grams of.
Weight-wise.
I don't know this weight-wise. I think it's 650 grams. I don't know what that means. I think it's just the thickness. Oh, look at that eyelet. You're going to cut straight through that eyelet.
No, I'm not, Mark. I'm going to miss it.
Okay, so that is what we're left with.
So, I'm guessing the idea is to
Look at that. Look, that.
here and pick it up like that, is it? Do you hoist it a bit further on?
Bit more, probably, I think.
Where's the door?
That's.
So maybe there?
That's going to be one hell of a wide. Should we try it?
Yeah.
Right, we're going to go next door, so give us 5 seconds and we'll be there. Jack said hi. We're in the school. We work here, so it's fine.
It's fine. So, that's the door.
We are recording.
Drop it slightly already, haven't we?
Oh, that's massively.
Yeah, it's going to be very short.
It's going to be a very stumpy teepee, isn't it?
Nothing will be stumpy.
Right, hold on, because we've got it hooked up there. So now we've got to change position.
Sorry?
So we're going to. Right. That's massively wide. It's going to be about 16 or 20 foot across and about 2 foot high. But this is just an experiment, okay? We're just doing it for a laugh. We're seeing so.
Should we drop it about like 2 foot?
Yeah, and then put some weights on it. Okay. Take 2. So now we made a boob before and we threw the tarp away, which was our fault. Because what you're supposed to do, you don't have to tape it up like this. But what you do, you actually take. What do you do, Jack?
You back off.
You take where you keep the door open like that. That is where you pin it. This is going to be massive, isn't it? Okay, that's it.
The front, isn't it?
Yeah. So now we've got to. What we'll do, we'll pin it out now, and we'll show you what it's like. So give us a second, because it's good. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Spot on. Let's see how... This is going to be massive. I don't know, it's quite high, Jack, isn't it? Look. Hi, Jack.
If it's just for like messing about with your kids and stuff,
Yeah.
Sure. Won't want to stay in it though for too long, would you?
How do you mean, as in height-wise? Oh?
You won't camp it for weeks, would you?
No.
But then again, if you had a bigger tarp and you made some
Wait.
like supports with it,
It'd be ideal, wouldn't it?
So we're talking that, are we?
I think so, yeah.
Try the other side now.
It's going to be... Back a bit, Jack, a bit more. So you could use supports. Oh, I see, yeah. Then you could actually put like poles in, couldn't you?
Yeah, easy.
This is going to be massive because this tarp was, well, on the other video, wasn't it? It was humongous. Right, just give Jack a hand for a second. It's huge. I mean, this thing is far too big. It was what? The width
It was far too wide.
was absolutely humongous compared to the, well, you see in the other video. But if you were in this, you can actually very easily fit 45 people in here.
Easy 45 for all my size.
But
If you
you see this?
did it
Oh, what am I?
like that,
Yeah.
you've still got a bit of gap there. But then again, you could always swing it around a little bit further.
But also, if you put tags on these and pull them out,
Yeah.
it's massive.
So if you sit back to your back against it, but if you have supports in here, like poles,
Sorry, folks. Look.
even if you had a few stays in it,
So how far are you away from me now?
10 metres. Maybe 12.
No, he's probably about 6 foot
Yeah.
from me. So, I mean, yeah, we got it wrong because the tarp I used was a really cheap one I found,
As you get, yeah.
and it must have been what? Can you remember? It could be 16 meters long.
something like that.
Ridiculous. So it was far longer than it was.
Mark, we're two
Right.
grown men sitting in the sport toy in a tarp.
It's fun though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gone. The tape's gone.
The tape's gone.
But we have a quick look on the outside. But it works. It works though, Jack, doesn't it? Brilliant.
Front door's broken, but
It's all right. What's for tea?
squirrel. Oi, wrecking me house.
There you go. The principle's there, isn't it?
Yeah, like so if you had a couple of like, I'd say probably about 5 or 6 stays.
Days.
2, 4, 6 at the back, and it was obviously wide as well as it was long. You have a decent Tipi.
Kids would love it.
Kids would love it.
But if you're going to do it properly, I'd probably use a better tarp, a better, yeah, with, and the right diameters really.
Yeah.
Probably something like 12 metres, something like that, by 8 metres.
Yeah.
But yeah. This is huge. If I pace it from the side here now, if I go like, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's probably about 5 metres width. And circumference 2, 3, 4. Exactly, yeah. So there you go. Brilliant. Hope this is any use to anybody. Thanks for watching. And we'll probably I'll probably order a better tarp and do it properly in another video. But I just wanted to experiment with something which, if it went wrong, it didn't matter. And that's what it is. It's just a bit of fun, this is. Okay? So thanks for watching. Say bye, Jack. He's doing the usual eyebrows, do it? These are the eyebrows. because we work in a school. Some you can't do it. Take care. See you in the next vid.